Another day, another work. So, diba, like everyone else, sila mga another day, another wash, another day, another bag, ganyan. Tayo another day, another work, guys. So, isa tayong ulirang nanay na nagtatrabaho sa isang call center. Oh, diba, hindi na center. Kaya talaga kapag nag-evolve, kapag pumapasok sa mga BPO company. So, for today's video, it's still my rest day. Hindi ako magaling mag-edit ng mga content, so wag niyo akong alam ko naging parang mababash or what have you, pero hindi para mag-filter naman tayo sa natin. So, wala, naisip ko lang gumawa ng mga ganitong content pa kasi parang feeling ko napapakita ko naman sa inyo is tunay ng buhay ng isang empleyado. Hindi tayo katulad ng iba na like they have their business, they're growing, they're getting inspired. Ako naman, I'm gonna try to inspire you guys with what I have on my daily life. So, isa akong single mother na meron akong dalawang babies, isang baby boy at isang baby girl. Parehas high school level na. So, ako naman, try ko lang, why not? Diba, parang wala namang mawawala sa akin. So, na pag napagod, siguro pipigil din. Pero, this is how life is. So, push lang, gawa tayo ng content every day, and maybe what I can try to share with you on a daily basis is what I've learned from work. And what do I do at work? So, hindi ako pwede mag-video sa loob ng opisina, but I just want to share with you what I have and what I do on a daily basis. Good luck! See you on my next day!